I've not really liked Zack from 1994 starring Paul Hogan and Cuba Jr. in this movie we saw. In the very beginning, Paul Hogan's gang trying to rob a bank, but the sheriffs and deputies they kill all the members except Paul Hogan in that skin. And after that, Paul Hogan meets Cuba Jr. They become friends and they try to rob a bank, but it goes wrong and stuff like that. This movie is well known for its comedic elements here and there, so this was so funny movie and little bit of action and talking, so I'm going to give this movie 10 out of 10. This is how you made a good movie, that's why 10 out of 10. And I was entered while I was watching this from start to finish, and this 34 minutes movie. So it's 10 out of 10, but I waiting for God to see this movie free on YouTube, and Paul Hogan is one of my favorite actors. He was in two Crocodile Dundee movies in the 80s that time. He was also in Crocodile Dundee in Los Angeles, wasn't fun and Almost an Angel 1990 and this likeness Jack from 94. And Cuba Jr. Like now he was in McRae the TV series and Snowy Dogs and many more movies. So likeness Jack from 1994 gets 10 out of 10 because everything was perfect in this movie, and I was entered while I was watching this movie, and Paul Hogan is one of my favorite actors, and Cuba Jr. just became one. And this likeness Jack from 94 I saw it 24 years ago in TV when they saw it, and also same time I saw Crocodile Dundee 1 and 2 and Crocodile Dundee Los Angeles also on VHS. So yeah, perfect 10 out of 10 because it's funny and lots of action and talking, so little bit everything to everybody, and I was so happy to see this movie. So go this movie if it to be entered this 10 out of 10 movie, and I almost forgot that Hogan and Cullen Jr. they brought away of Indians in this movie. They went to the canyon, and then in some reason the Indians stopped following, and Hogan and Cullen Jr. they went free. So because it's 1994 movie, it means that some actors are dead, so may them rest in peace, and Paul Hogan is still alive and Cuba Jr. as well, but the not so popular actors in this movie, they are dead, so rest in peace. Then out of the movie, called this movie if it to be entered, and let's just say that you will be, because it's 10 out of 10 movies don't get better than this, and as a western comedy, perfect movie in every way. Paul Hogan knew how to make people laugh, and he did so in this movie, and the other actors did their part really well. And so go see like in Jack from 1994 if it to be entered. It's 10 out of the movie. Flipper I haven't seen in a long time, and Paul Hogan is in that movie as well, so maybe I will see that in the future. And I'll start Charlie and Boots. Paul Hogan was in that movie, and recall 24, aka the very excellent Mr. Dante I haven't seen yet. And like I describe this movie that a movie in which everything works really well, and I was happy to see this movie, and 10 out of 10. This is how you make a good movie, one of the best ever, and entertaining and stuff like that. So yeah, 10 out of 10 movie, called this movie free on YouTube and 134 minutes long, and it's pretty long movie actually, and I enjoyed every skin of this movie, and it's an old school western movie. 10 out of 10, and called this movie free on YouTube, and kick-ass movie from start to finish. Okay, bye.